let's begin with the SPSS, a small example of SPSS, and you will just understand. You can see at least how we use it, the t-test in the SPSS. So let me just try to share the screen. So let's let me just write some data of a pre and a post test. I am gonna use I'm putting some scores. Let me just put some easy scores. You can consider these scores as a speed test of a 50 meter. Okay, 50 meter speed test. So I have just removed the decimals. Okay, so this is the pre, and let me take it to the post one. Okay, so you are not able to understand the pre, which is pre and post. So I'm gonna go to the variable view. I write pre and I write post. Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine.
Yes, sir.
All right, post. Please don't hesitate to ask. So I can write it in the label also, pre-score and post score. So this is a condition. This may be an example where you get the data. It may be of how many. What is the n here after looking at the data? Can you identify the n?
So 10.
Very
10,
good.
sir.
Absolutely, it's 10 is the n. So that means we have a group of 10 athletes. Okay, and everyone might have a GPS or some other gadgets, and we have got their speed test. Okay, after a gap of 6 weeks, now we're gonna see have there been an improvement in their speed. By looking at the data, what do you think? Do you think there is an improvement, there is a change in the speed?
Yes.
So now we are assuming this. So the first task is that let's go and test it. How you test it? Can anyone just let me know on these spaces? Where should I click onto it first? View, data, transform, analyze. Where should I go? Analyze. Great. And once I go to analyze, where should I go?
Descriptive statistic.
If I go to descriptive, I can get all the descriptive data. I can get the what all things I can get from here.
So mean, median, mode, quartile, decile,
Yeah. But
and
here, what are we
prediction.
going to calculate?
T-test, sir.
Okay, so is this the right option?
No, sir.
No, sir.
So should we go just below descriptive? What do you see? Below
Compare
descriptive,
means.
Compare means.
yeah, compare.
Compare
Compare
means.
means.
So this is compare. Now you understand, everyone. The moment you see compare mean, you will understand this is a t-test, isn't it? Because you know the definition of t-test, that it is
Yes, sir.
comparing the means. Okay, and when you just click on to the compare the means, here it's everything which you have already studied. You understand the term one sample t-test? Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So you understand the independent
Yes, sir.
t-test? Should I click on independent t-test
Yes,
here?
sir.
Yes, sir.
Should I click on independent sample t-test? Why? Should I click on independent sample t-test, or should I use the option available below independent
Sir,
t-test?
Sir,
paired, sir, paired.
paired, sir, paired.
Paired, sir.
Yes. Thank you for your response. Absolutely right. Why we should select pair sample t-test?
So because the subject is same.
Sir, because subject
Subject
is
is the
same and
same,
that
sir.
we
It's a
have to
pre-post
edit
test.
it.
Subject is same,
Yes,
and
sir.
it's a pre-post test. Very,
Yes, sir.
very much absolutely correct. So this is the one benefit which you have got it by understanding the theory. So the software is very new to you, but it's very comfortable just because of one reason is you know the logic of mean now. Because you know t-test means comparison of mean, so you could straight away. Otherwise, if I just click analyze, a novice who have no idea about the t-test, what a t-test is, will you be able? Do you think you will? Can you just identify where the t-test is? Do you see t-test written anywhere?
No, sir.
No,
No,
sir.
sir, there is
No,
compare
sir.
me.
Compare mean. So this is one logic which you have learned, and the moment you click on to compare mean, now you understand one sample t-test, you understand independent t-test, you understand pair t-test. So you're absolutely right that yes, we have to click on the pair sample t-test. So let's click on to the pair issues. So once again, getting back to the sessions, yes, this is the screen which you see in the pair sample t-test. So once you have this, you can just click on to the pre or the post one. Simply just transfer the data to the another section, and the data is ready for analysis. Okay, I can go for the options. So I have, can you see 95% confidence interval? 95%. Can anyone tell what is the meaning of 95%? In the last class we discussed about a little bit
Sir,
about
it means less of error, sir.
how less of
Yes,
error, but
less of error.
how much error we are expecting in this?
5%.
5%.
The
5%
5%, sir.
error. Absolutely, you are a wonderful intelligent class. Absolutely right. We can expect a 5% error, not more than that. That means in the table we'll see 0.05. Okay, okay, very good, fine. So I got click on to the continue, and can I just go for okay? The moment I click okay, I'll get the t-test result. Can I click okay?
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Yes, sir.
the moment I click OK, I will have another window open which of SPSS which is called as output sheet, and I will share the output sheet after clicking the OK button. This you may not be able to see the output because this is in another window, so I have to open the next window. Just I have to unshare and reshare it again. So what was your calculation? There will be a significant difference or there will not be a significant difference? Somebody said there will be a significant difference. Yeah. So this is the output. Hold on. Yes. Can you see the output?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes,
Now
sir.
let's try to read the output. I will help you in reading the output. Okay. Just hold on. So could you see the t-test score?
Yes, sir.
What is the t-test score?
So 7.650.
7.660. Okay,
Yes.
7.660 is the t-test, and degree of freedom is
Sir, 9.
DF 9.
95%.
Nine.
How did they reach at 9?
Sir, 0.000.
Arey, nahi, degree of freedom. Yesterday, last class we discussed.
9,
What
sir.
is how did they calculate? What is the formula for DF? Degree of freedom.
So n minus 1.
N
Sir,
minus.
n minus 1.
Yes, so here it is n is 10, so n minus 1, and we can see the score of this 7.66 from the tabulated score, or from the from the critical value score of the textbook. Okay, and otherwise also from significant table also I can identify and see that this is significant, but still you want to see from the textbook score. Let me take you to the textbook and just compare it and just see it out. Okay, so I am sharing. Yes, could you see the table?
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Yes, sir.
so where is 8? Okay, I can see 8 here. Oh, sorry, 8, 9 is the degree of freedom. And what is the critical value of degree of freedom? 9.05 level of significance.
1.833.
1.833. 1.833. And what is our calculated value? I'm again sharing the table. Yes. Is it more than 1.833? Is
So
our
what,
t
sir?
value?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes,
It is
sir. Yes,
more.
sir. It is more, sir.
Yes, sir.
So what does this mean?
Sir, it means that there is no significant difference
Wait,
between means of freedom.
Sir,
Deepti,
there is.
Ulta,
Sir, there is.
there
If it
is.
is more,
Yeah,
sir.
yeah, our
There is
calculated value is more.
Yes, sir.
Okay, this means that there is a significant difference between
Difference
the
between
pre-test
Mean
mean
scores
score
of.
and the post-test mean score.
Yes,
Yeah.
sir.
Yeah. So with this, I end today's session, and tomorrow we're gonna meet with the Pearson correlation, and we'll talk about that. Thank you. Thanks a lot.